Hi guys, so I've designed this Microsoft Excel Essentials course to teach the basics for Microsoft Excel and help you grasp the basic concepts of Excel. So hope you enjoy the course. I'll be doing videos as we go along. So this will consist of a series of videos. Um, and where possible, I'll try as much as possible to take a practical approach to this course. So let me quickly take you through to what we are going to cover in this course. So the general course overview, we'll look at the topics to be covered. We'll look at the target audience for this course. We'll look at the prerequisites for this course, and then I'll look at any extras or tips I can give you guys in order to excel in Excel. So first on the topics to be covered, we'll look at a basic introduction to Microsoft Excel. So we'll look at things like what is a spreadsheet, we'll define spreadsheets, we'll look at how do I use Excel, we'll look at what is the ribbon, what is the status bar, we'll look at how you print documents in Excel, like setting the print areas, how do you save documents to different formats and things like that. So I'll assume you have zero experience of Excel for this course. So if you're already familiar with Excel, this may not be the best course for you. So then we'll also look at formatting workbooks. We'll learn what a workbook is. Then we'll look at the different formats we can export our Excel file to. For example, with the CSV format, we can export to PDF, etc. So we'll look at what formatting is. So formatting, basically, we're talking of changing or modifying the document. So be looking at how you can change column width, add columns, delete columns, hide some data, change color, bolding some text. You look at different themes, custom number formats. I don't want you to be surprised one day you punch in a number, then you see that number maybe being converted to decimal, it's being converted to a date, then you wonder what is happening. So such things, that's what we'll be discussing. But let me note that we won't be covering much on complex formulas and functions. We'll cover that in a different course altogether. This one is for beginners, for the basics. So who is our target audience? So the target audience is basically all the Microsoft Office users. Don't confuse the Office part of it. I'm referring to the Microsoft Office suite as in the software, not referring to Office as in physical location or someone where someone works now. So we'll look at so that's basic Office users. Then basics Excel users, those who have basic knowledge of Excel, like the minimum basics, and need to learn more about Excel. So we'll also look at some stuff which may concern intermediate Excel users. So you may learn something as well. So what are the prerequisites for taking this course? Basically, you need knowledge of the Windows operating system. If you know how to use Windows, then you are good. Any version of Windows, Windows 10, Windows 8, any version will do as long as you can run Microsoft Office on it. Then the other prerequisite again is basic understanding or zero prior experience working with Excel. So anyone who start from scratch, or those with a basic knowledge of Excel, this is the course for you. So you also need to be familiar with other Microsoft Office products like Word, PowerPoint, etc. So you find these applications they will always interact in one way or the other. For example, you may export data, or you may export a Word document into Excel. You may export data from PowerPoint into Excel. So a basic knowledge of the other Microsoft Office suite applications will help. So what extras do I have for you? So just some tips for you as you take this course. Um, Research will make you excel in this. So try to research as much as possible. There are several videos on YouTube. If you're stuck somewhere doing some tasks, just Google it. More often than not, you'll find it. Then always stay updated. There are different versions of Excel. For this course, we'll be focusing on Excel 2016, but there are different versions. There's 2010, there's 2007, there's 2013, different versions. Whatever version you have, most of the basic concepts will apply, but the layout, where you find a button, where you find a menu item, obviously it will be different. And also, most recent versions will have more functionality than previous versions, so just take note of that. So it's best to use the most updated version, the most recent version of Excel. Uh, Also note that if you are using a corporate license, some organizations may disable some features. So you may be surprised to learn one concept here, then you try to apply it, then you can't find that menu item or something like that. So organizations can apply different filters and restrictions on software. Then also note that different users have different needs. So just know what you want to do with Excel, and you focus on achieving your set goals. Uh, so I think that's it for this course. So hopefully you enjoy, and feel free to email me if you have any questions, and get in touch. Then I can always answer any questions you may have. So thank you, and hope to see you soon.